We created these really fun zombie rocks on our live Halloween tutorial, and I wanted to make it into a nice short little video for you. Start by placing a light green circle and filling it in on your stone. Once your circles have dried, we're going to come back and add in brains. So I'm using circular motion here so they don't have any straight edges when I'm done with my brains. Now this rock had a little crack in it, so I used that crack to create an edge. You can also create brains kind of spilling over. Have a lot of fun with this. Then place one eye right on your design. It's okay if a little bit of that green pulls in. It doesn't have to be bright, bright white. Then we're going to give him a body, just an upside down arch filled in with brown. For his mouth, create kind of a wobbly oval shape. Place some areas that you are going to leave white so that they have a couple teeth. You can do 2 teeth, 1 tooth, however you want. This is something you can adjust for each zombie so that they all have a fun, unique look to them. Fill in all the negative space with black. Then we're also going to come in and add an X for our opposite eye. Once the white of the eye is dry, come back in and draw in a large pupil and fill it in black. And then we're going to start lining our brains. So I like to create a curve along the edge and have it curve up and into the pink area a little bit with little wavy lines. Play around with this and have fun. There's not really any wrong way to do it. When creating the bodies, I like to add my outlines on the outer edge of the design. You can create a stripe down the center, a couple buttons, and if you touch it and tap a few times around your design, it will give it a kind of muddied up, dirty look. You can also go around and add cute little stitches around the design as well, and you can reline the areas after you tap it to give them a darker outline look. Finish the basic lining on your design, and then we're going to come in and add in some last details. I'm creating a highlights in his eye, his single eye, and filling in the teeth as well. I'm using my PC1MR Posca. You could use a toothpick and white acrylic paint for this as well if you need to. And then we're also going to add in some final things like a little patch of hair, and you can create little scars or whatever you want to do. Again, this is something that you can make each of your zombie just a little bit different. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Click on the playlist for more Halloween ideas and don't forget to subscribe.